to Ailani World, and we're gonna learn all about whales.
We are learning all about whales, and me and I actually got to see some whales recently when we went to Maui.
Yep.
It was awesome.
Here we go.
Don't worry, I won't get sick.
There are so many whales. It's so cool. Just make sure you get your focus and you zoom. Hey, this one's tail's coming up. Get ready. Take a picture here. 3, 2, there you go. Now, Nee, can you tell us this one?
Types of whales.
Now, there are 2 types of whales. There are toothed whales and baleen whales. And we're gonna learn a little bit about both. Now, Nee, can you give us our first whale fact?
Whales are mammals.
Yeah, even though they live in water, they breathe air and give birth to live young. And nurse their calves with milk. Now, Nee, can you tell me some other animals that are mammals?
Dogs.
Dogs.
Cats. Ducks.
Nope, that's a bird.
Oh yeah.
Well, why not?
Lion.
Lion. Ducks are not because they have babies and eggs and they don't feed their babies milk. Now, every mammal will feed its baby milk. And
Wait, but how do whales actually get milk?
they have whale boobies. They do, it's the truth. They have whale boobies. Whale facts. Now, Nee, whale fact number 2.
Whales have blowholes for breathing.
Yeah, unlike fish, they must surface and come up to the surface to breathe air through their blowholes.
But they breathe out air.
They breathe out really quick when they come to the surface like this, and they go really fast and breathe in.
How long do they stay in the water?
They can stay under the water a long time. It depends on the different types of whales, but some whales can stay for minutes, up to almost an hour, I think. It's wild. Now, Nee, this is our first type of whale. What type of whale is this?
This is a humpback whale.
And have you seen one of these before?
Yep.
Where did we see this?
We saw them at the trip to Maui.
This is right. There, right?
So cool.
Oh my gosh, it's right next to us. A humpback whale is a special type of whale. It's called a baleen whale, which means that it is a filter feeder. They have these weird teeth that look like a giant siphon, and they bite, and then they spit all the water out, and it keeps all these little tiny animals inside called plankton.
Why did there's such a big animal, but they eat small?
Because that's how they evolved. Pretty smart. Now, what are humpback whales known for?
They are known for their spectacular breaches and beautiful songs.
We got to see some of them. Yeah, we got to see some of them breaching and listen to some of their songs. A breach is when they jump out of the water and fall back down. And that's their singing. And we got to hear some whales singing as well. Just like that.
It's a lot of them.
Now, Nee, can you tell us this next whale fact?
Some whales sing.
Yeah, humpback whales are famous for their long, complex songs, which can last about how long, Ailani?
Like 20 minutes.
Up to 20 minutes, which is a pretty long song. Can you imagine mommy singing a 20-minute long song? 20 more minutes. It's a long time. I mean, we are surrounded by hundreds of whales right now. It is rad, and they have the hydrophone, and we are listening to the whales. Take a listen to this.
The babies are not the ones making this song right now. Typically,
So cool.
hemisphere humpback whales, and this is exactly why they're here in Hawaii, is to breed, to mate, right? Have their babies and nurse. So this baby was conceived last winter season. The mother went back up to Alaska. She ate and ate and ate, had this baby in her belly for the full year, and brought it back down to give birth here in Hawaii. So the little dorsal you're seeing sticking out.
whales can spy out.
Yeah. Now, do you know what this behavior lets them do?
This behavior involves poking their heads out of the water to look around. Cute, right?
It is cute. They pop their head out and they're like this. Hey guys, what's going on up here?
Hello.
Right? Pretty rad.
Hello.
Just like that. Whales are the definition of...
Big brain.
That's right. Whales are highly intelligent. They have
really large brains.
and some species show problem solving, tool use, and social behavior. These guys are smart.
Big brain.
Mega mind.
She put a picture of Megamind.
Mega whale.
This is our next whale. It is called a gray whale.
Yeah, now gray whales are also a baleen whale, a filter feeder. They are famous
For their long migrations along the Pacific coast.
I got to see these whales when they would go and calve down in Mexico, and some of them would come right up to your boat
Well,
with the mamas with the babies. They are,
those are the mama.
that's pretty cool. Now, here's our next whale fact.
Whales migrate thousands and thousands of miles.
Yes, some species like the gray whale travel up to 12,000 miles round trip during migration.
12,000 hours later.
Kind of longer than that. Getting some extra time with Grandma and Ailani at the beach is priceless. We are in Maui, having fun. You can go out further, Nate. It's cold this time of year. Woo! It's not as cold as California, though. Whale fact.
Whale facts. Not all whales have teeth.
Now, if you can see in this picture right here, these are the baleen. They're kind of like a giant filter. That again, baleen whales have comb-like baleen plates to filter food like krill and small fish.
Whales don't drink seawater. Instead, they get all the water they need from the food they eat.
This is right. Whales don't drink seawater. All of the water they need, they get from the food they eat. So it's pretty amazing. They have to eat a lot. Now, they have to eat a lot because they are big, and none of them are bigger than this guy.
The blue whale, my
Now-
bros.
Yeah,
Come
bro.
back, my friends.
What? Hey.
Finals.
Ooh. Oh, Thanos from Squid Games. Squid Games whales! Ah! Now, blue whales are also a type of baleen whale, which means they are a filter feeder. Now, they are famous for being the largest animal on Earth.
Yep.
And famous for its immense size and diet of tiny little krill. Big guy
Largest animal on Earth.
eating.
It's the tiniest.
Eats these little guys. It can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh as much as
200 tons.
It's pretty heavy. Now this leads to our next whale. Nee, what whale is this?
This is a sperm whale.
Yeah, a sperm whale though is not a baleen whale.
It is a toothed whale. Lots of teeth.
Yep, and they are the largest toothed predator, known for its deep dives and large head. And do you know what these guys eat?
Small.
No, big squid. These guys hunt giant squid
Oh yeah.
deep in the ocean.
Oh yeah. I watched the outdoor binocs. What is it?
Dr. Binocs,
Yeah.
yeah. Here's one for you, Nee. Whale fact.
They can hold their breath for a long time. Sperm whales can dive deep and stay underwater for up to 1.5 hours.
That's right, 90
is-
minutes
90 minutes.
or an hour and a half. There's your answer, an hour and a half holding your breath. All right, we're gonna hold our breath. I'm gonna hold my breath for an hour and a half. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
1 hour later. A few moments later. Meanwhile,
That was not an hour and a half. She's still going strong.
1
minutes
eternity
later.
So much later, that
1
the old narrator
hour
got tired
and
of
19
waiting,
minutes
and they had
later.
to hire a new one.
Hey, you're cheating.
Who says I have to play fair? Whale facts.
They use echolocation.
Yeah, toothed whales like sperm whales send out sounds. And use the echoes to locate objects underwater. Cool, right?
Cool.
Now, our next whale is the,
Beluga whale.
yeah, a beluga whale is also a type of toothed whale. known as the canary of the...
And the most cutest animal on earth. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, they are known as the canary of the sea for a wide range of vocalizations.
They're so cute.
They're also known... Oh, look at that one spinning! It's so cute! They're also known for their big blob on their head.
They're also known for being the cutest animal on earth.
I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
There's also the capybara.
Oh no. How do you compare them?
Can't even compare them. They're both cute in their own way. Now, some whales can change their skin colors. Beluga whales are born a grayish or brownish color. As they mature, their skin gradually lightens and they become
White.
the white color we associate them with. And they become super cute. Whale facts.
They have a thick layer of
Blubber.
blubber.
This is a type of fat. This fat keeps them warm in cold waters and provides energy.
I wish you could be them. Swimming all the time.
Right,
Keep swimming, keep swimming.
right.
I only put one flower going down the middle, but you can kind of tell the difference already.
The girls are all making these really beautiful leis. Ailani.
I love flowers. So this is our creation after half an hour.
Mine is very
Pretty.
Yes, I'm happy with mine, and then I'll take it when I get home. The duck.
Great.
Baby whales are called calves.
Just like a whale. I mean, just like a cow. Not a whale, they're our whale. Some calves are born weighing several tons and can drink 100 gallons of milk per day.
Oh my goodness.
Now, this guy is
The
king.
king of the oceans.
He is a type of toothed whale. Or she. They.
I don't know if the great white shark.
Oh, they can eat great white sharks. There are videos of orcas eating great white sharks, and they're even more deadly because they hunt in packs. Actually, a dolphin, orcas are apex predators and incredibly social.
Are they the cousin?
They are families, and they live in their family groups, and they hunt together. Now, orcas...
So they don't, like, if they meet each other, then they don't eat each other?
No, they won't eat each other. Orcas have different accents in their calls. Different pods of orcas have different vocal sounds, like regional dialects in human language. So one orca is gonna be like, "Oi, I'm from London," and the other orca's like,
I'm from Russia.
"Well, that's different." And then the other guy's like, "Y'all know I'm from Texas," and the other orca's,
Oh, now for Texas.
"It's not bad." And then the other orca's like, "Hey, bro, I'm from California, man."
Yo, bro. So, Miles Morales.
You're Miles Morales? That's not Miles Morales' voice, Ailani. Miles Morales is rad, though. He's one of our favorites.
Next one is gonna be something about
Whale facts.
whale poop.
Whale poop.
Whales help the ocean's ecosystem.
Yep. This is all about whale poop. Their waste provides nutrients for plankton, which are essential to the marine food chain. So the whales poop out poop, and then the plankton eat the poop, and then the whales eat the plankton.
What? It's like a cycle.
It's a circle. That's nature.
Narwhal. Oh my goodness. The most cutest and the most curious animal.
Now, narwhals are a type of toothed whale. The narwhal's long spiral tusk is
It's like
actually,
a unicorn.
they look like unicorn, but it's actually a giant tooth.
It can grow up to 10 feet long.
Yeah, and the tusks have thousands of nerve endings which make them extremely insensitive, so they can use it to feel around
Extremely cute.
this as well.
A whale fluke. Whale flukes are all unique.
That's right, the tail or fluke of each whale has a different pattern, much like our human fingerprint.
So,
Now this,
About to fly a plane.
they are a pilot. Now this is a type of toothed whale, and they are known for their strong social bonds and living in large pods and their ability to fly large airplanes. Normally the Boeing 787 Dreamliner or the Airbus A380.
What the? Wait a minute.
Sorry, they cannot fly airplanes.
Yes, they can.
No, they cannot. I don't know why they're called a
This is
pilot.
what they say. Everyone, we are about to fly a plane. Get ready and buckle your seat.
Pilot whales. Pilot
That
whales.
is literally what they're made for. Flying a plane.
The one fact about pilot whales is that they are known for mass strandings. Why they do this? I don't know. Because they live in tight-knit pods though, if one whale gets stuck on the beach, others will often follow. It's just kind of a bad thing for these guys, but luckily if people are there, they can help rescue them.
Are they that dumb?
No, but they just are that close. They're like, hey buddy, I love you, don't leave me. All right, whale facts.
Some whales sleep with one eye open.
Dolphins rest half of their brain at a time, so they can continue breathing and watching for danger, and then they rest the other side. Sorry, because
How do they get like 50% of sleep?
I guess so.
Dolphins and porpoises.
Now, what type of whale are these, Nee?
These are toothed whales.
This is right. They are smaller members of the toothed whale family, known for their intelligence.
What is that, Beluga? Yeah.
I don't know, but this guy says we're very friendly too. We use vocalizations to communicate with our friends, but that's not how he talks.
I don't know.
You know how
if
he
it's,
talks? Like this. Ah.
I don't know if you're that friendly, you know.
Be sure to like and subscribe to
Ailani and
Ailani's Little World. We'll see you guys next time.
Let's go, bros.
Bye-bye.